Heavyweight champion George Foreman passed away at age 76 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Heavyweight champion George Foreman has reportedly passed away on Friday at age 76 years old. "Our hearts are broken," the family message on Instagram read. "With profound sorrow, we announce the passing of our beloved George Edwards Foreman Sr., who peacefully departed on March 21, 2025, surrounded by his loved ones." They said he was a devoted preacher, a devoted husband, a loving father, and a proud grandfather and great-grandfather. He lived a life marked by unwavering faith, humility, and purpose, the family statement continued. Foreman was a two-time heavyweight champion and an Olympic gold medalist, was also a businessman with his name tied to the heavy popular George Foreman grill. "We are grateful for the outpouring of love and prayers, and we kindly ask for privacy as we honor the extraordinary life of a man we were able to be blessed with to call our own," the family said. A cause of death for the legendary boxer was not immediately released. Known as Big George in the ring, the American built one of the most remarkable and enduring careers in the sport, winning Olympic gold in 1986 and claiming the World Heavyweight title twice, 21 years apart, the second making him the oldest champion in history at age 45. He lost his first title to Muhammad Ali in their famous Rumble in the Jungle fight in 1974. But Foreman's professional boxing career boasted an astonishing total of 67 wins, including 68 knockouts, almost double that of Muhammad Ali. He retired from the sport in 1997, but before he agreed to put his name to the best-selling grill, a decision that went on to bring him fortunes and increase his boxing earnings. Foreman was born in Marshall, Texas on January 10, 1949, and raised along with 6 siblings by a single mother in the segregated American South. He dropped out of school and turned to street robberies before eventually finding his outlet in the ring. Foreman won the heavyweight gold medal at the 1968 Olympics in Mexico City at age 19, before turning to pro and winning 37 consecutive matches. He beat previously undefeated reigning champion Joe Frazier in Kingston, Jamaica in 1973, knocking him down 6 times in the first 2 rounds. We here at Links 007 TV would like to use this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.